As you know by now, today is the 17th annual GardenPalooza at Fur Point Farms. It's from 8 to 3:30 and it's free parking and free admission and over 40 garden vendors.
And by garden vendors, we mean there's great plants, there's wonderful tools, and some beautiful art. Plus, you can get a great meal, a sandwich, or some soup, or even pastries at Country Grains. In fact, hundreds of people start their spring right here at GardenPalooza.
While you're here, come find William and me, and you can be entered to win some of these great prizes. There's tools from Dram, there's also gift cards from Portland Nursery and Al's Garden Center, and these great books from Timber Press.
And this is going to happen every half hour, and all you have to do is stop by and pick up your ticket. And don't forget to go to GardenPalooza.com, download and print out these coupons, bring them with you for additional savings.
We invite you to come to GardenPalooza today and have a great time.